What's up, y'all? So I'm here to show you guys my no makeup look. Super simple, super easy, and let's get right into it. First up, I'm going to start with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I am an oily girl, so I need stuff that's going to help me stay matte. Next, I'm using my favorite foundation right now, which is the Too Faced foundation. This is a medium to full coverage foundation, and I'm about to show y'all the technique that I use to blend this out so it looks like skin. I know this is a little bit darker than my shade. It's not the perfect match, but I'm about to show y'all. So I use a super big, fluffy brush to blend that in, and look how it looks like skin. I am like thoroughly in awe. I saw this on YouTube, and I'll post the girl who posted it. But apparently it's like a celebrity hack or something that the girls use to give that no skin makeup look. Y'all, this foundation looks like skin. And when y'all see, or if y'all have watched my dramatic purple eyeshadow makeup video, this is the same foundation and it doesn't go on the same way because I use a different brush, a different technique, but this looks like skin. Like, what? This looks like skin. This is nuts. Okay. So next I am using my concealer Makeup by Mario in the shade 520. This is the closer shade to my skin tone. And so I'm just using that around my eyes and then around my lips because that corner of my lips tends to be a little bit darker. I don't know why. And then on my forehead as well and my chin. And I just sprayed a little bit of setting spray on my brush. This is a Real Techniques brush. And I'm just blending out the concealer. And you guys, I'm loving this application already. Like, this is really giving no makeup. What? Love it. Love it. And y'all, look at this. It looks like I have no makeup on. This is nice. Nice. You can't tell me nothing. Nada. So next I am using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color medium deep to just set that face. And this looks good. I'm liking this. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other side of my face. And I'm just using that same powder to just run down the bridge of my nose because it gets a little oily and really just take care of my T-zone because your girl gets oily. And so I just don't want my under eyes to be set real nice. And then my nose and my forehead and my chin to be shining. Now I'm just using some setting spray to really set that in and make sure I don't get any creasing or none of my makeup is moving anywhere. Now onto the brows. I definitely don't want to do something super thick and super fluffy. I want it to be more on the natural side as much as possible. And so I am just brushing my brows out. Then I am taking my brow pencil from the beauty supply store and I'm just lightly using a light hand to fill in my brows. And I'm just making sure everything is pretty much blended when it comes to my brows really well. And now I'm just using a little bit of contouring powder from the beauty supply store on my face, just super lightly. My face already kind of gives that look sometimes without makeup. So just adding it super lightly with makeup. And now I'm just going in with a little bit of mascara on the bottom lash and the top lash. And this is the Too Faced mascara. And now I'm just using my brow pencil just to slightly give just a small little wing liner just to add a little bit of something to the look, but you can't even really tell. Just helps to give my eyes that sort of lifted look. And now I'm using a pink shade, a pink liner on my lips. And then I'm going to go over that with a brown liner on my lips and then a lip gloss. What I'm doing here, I just don't want my brown liner to be as intense. And so I want to use a light pink liner first, rub that into my lips, and then the brown liner and then the lip gloss. And it kind of gives more of a natural look. I don't want too much of a distinction because then it doesn't look like makeup, no makeup anymore. And now, you guys, I am using this lipstick that I got from the Beauty Supply store. I don't even know where it's from, but I'm going to try to look for it and put it in the description box. But I'm using it as a blush. It's a very light pink lipstick, but when you blend it in, it has this sort of like soft highlighting effect to it. And so I really, really like how this looks on my skin. And I'm using a foundation brush, a more dense foundation brush to blend that out, and it ends up looking like a little bit of a highlighter. It's so pretty and it's so subtle, you can't even really tell. So I love that. So pretty. Look at that. And of course I have to finish with the setting spray because obviously we don't want our makeup going anywhere. And I'm just going to fan, and it looks so good. I'm so happy with the results. It's definitely, in my opinion, giving makeup, no makeup look. I definitely next time want to trade out the loose finishing powder for a pressed powder. And I think that will really like amp up the volume. But thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, definitely hit that like button and subscribe and comment down below what other videos you want. Talk to you soon. Bye.